We have removed all the rotted wood we can get to, and for the most part I think we have it all. I mean, there's little edges here and there, but this one's doubled up, so you can see that's not the best. It'd be nice if we can go into here, but it's just not feasible. It's not getting wet anymore, although there were some ants here at the bottom, but we removed them. We removed this, so we're down to good wood here. And we pulled out some more over there, and we've shoved the insulation up into that siding, and we're holding it in with fiberglass so the cellulose doesn't fall out. Now we're going to start rebuilding. You can see here's the junk wood we pulled, really bad shape. So I'm really glad we got that out. So now we have to rebuild this whole area. So time to go get some hemlock. Turns out they're 5-inch studs, at least in this area. So I had ripped some 2x6s to 2x5s, and we'll start rebuilding. And then we'll insulate the whole area, and then we're going to board up this whole area too, like they did right here. Now we are going to do it there, and then we're going to run flashing over up into that siding. We'll put one small piece on there, and then we'll put a small piece on there. Okay, time to clean up.